Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all being safe, smart and sanitized. If you would like to see how I created this pink smoky eye look, please keep watching. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows. So I am taking the NYX, the micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to fill in the bald spots that I have. It doesn't matter if you go overboard, you can always brush it out with your spoolie and everything should be bad. It should be fine. And then you can take your spoolie and go in and brush everything out. Okay, and then I am going to take for the base of my eye as an eye primer, I'm going to take the Morphe concealer, and this is in the shade C2.35. Then I'm going to take the Sigma brush in P84. It's called Precision Angled Brush, and then I'm going to blend this evenly over my eyelid. I know it looks like a lot, but believe me, it'll all work out. You want to have an even base and an evenly layered base over your eyes, and whatever is left, I take it on top of I take it on this side of my eyebrows, go a little on top. I mean, it's not much, but it does look even in between, so it does work out, trust me. Then I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty powder in the shade, I'm in the shade Banana, and then I'm going to take and set this eye primer in. And I am going to take this beautiful palette from Jaclyn Hill Morphe Palette Volume 2. So these are the shades that I'm going to play around with. First things first, I'm going to start with transition shade, and I am going to take the Sigma tapered blending brush in E40. And I'm going to take the shade Love Handle and Perfectionist. Remember, blending is key. Then I'm going to take the shade Positivity with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Positivity. Okay, and then I'm going to go in to the inner part of my eye. I'm just going to do short strokes. You want to get in to the inner corner, and then as you flick out, you're also getting into the crease of this part. Remember, start small. You don't need to layer on thickly. I would say take small amounts, tap off the excess, and then slowly build up the color. Then I'm going to go in with another JH33 brush, and then I am going to go into the shade Tipsy Girl, tap off the excess, and then put this in the center of my eye. Then I'm going to go in back into Positivity to make sure that that color doesn't get drowned out. Then I'm going to go take the same brush that I used, Love Handle and Perfectionist, and go back into those same shades, and then I'm going to blend these colors in. Take the same brush that I used Positivity, that is the JH33, no additional product. I'm just taking and going into the crease, and then again the one that I took, Tipsy Girl, again going into the crease with this, no additional product taken. Okay, I'm gonna go in with another Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, JH30, and I'm gonna go into the shade Hot On. I love this shade, it's a beautiful shade. So I'm gonna take it, dab off the excess, and then go into my inner corners. taking the Sigma brush with no additional product and just gonna go blend everything in. Okay, I really want to go and deepen the dark shade that I put at the outer corner of my eyes, with the shade called Hot On. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Sigma brush and the shade E55, pack it on. I think it's a packing brush. Tap off the excess and then go outer corner and just pat it on there. Then with the same brush, as you can see on the tip, it's got a rounded shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just dip the brush into the shade and then go across my lash line. Not all the way in, but just close enough to, if there is any skin peeking through, it will hide. And with the same shade, I'm also going to take the shade Not My Journey. It's a beautiful purple shade, and I am going to use this brush, and this is the Morphe Jaclyn JH40, and I'm going to go into the shade Not My Journey, pack it on, and then see if I can do a winged liner with this look. And I'm only doing it on the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to do my under eyes. I'm going to take my concealer in the shade, my Too Faced concealer, Born This Way multi-use sculpting and concealer in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm going to put it, and I'm going to use this on my face as my base. So I normally don't use foundation as much. I prefer to use a concealer wherever I need. So basically I go under my eye, and then I'm going to take my wet beauty blender. Before that, I am going to spritz my face with the Pixi Rose Glow Mist. Now if you have dry skin like me, and if you feel that your skin is drying up after using all this powder, I would say just go back into your face, beauty blender, spritz it some more. Remember, be gentle with it. You're bouncing on your face, nothing else. Don't forget to get it into your hairline. And with the tip of your beauty blender, you can go into the crevice of your nose and take off any excess product that is there. And then see if you can clean up your eyes, and then go back into your brush and see if you can do a light flick. Okay, now we're not done yet, so I'm gonna go set my under eyes before my concealer creases, and I'm going back into my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana Bread, taking my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna go, and I'm not gonna bake for long. I'm just gonna let this sit for like a few seconds. Okay, with that done, I am gonna go and finish the rest of my eyes before I finish the rest of my face. I am going to take my eye pencil, and this is Nykaa EyemBLACK Kajal. It's from the Nykaa website in India. I'm gonna take this to fill in my waterline. I should definitely sharpen this pencil. Okay, now this pencil is the blackest I have seen. Look how black that is. Like, focus. Okay, there you go. I'm done with filling in my waterline with the Nykaa EyemBLACK Kajal pencil in the shade Black Knight 001, and I am going to take a pencil brush with the shade Hot On mixed with Live in My Best, and I'm going to smudge my lower lash line out. Now for the shade Live in My Best, beautiful red shade. Jaclyn really outdid herself in this, and I think I'm really enjoying this palette. The brush Jaclyn Morphe JH39, and I'm gonna go into Live in My Best and Hot On. I'm gonna start at the center and then go to the outer part of my eye first. Then I'm gonna take the same Sigma Tapered Blending E40, go into the shade Love Handle, and then blend everything outwards. Now I feel that my eyes needs a little more definition, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Morphe Jaclyn J739, and with no additional product, I'm going to take whatever's on the outer part of my eye and just go up a bit with it. I'm going to take Morphe Jaclyn JH42, and I'm going to take my highlighter again from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is in the shade Bomb. This is the loose highlighter, and I'm going to take what's on the cap. Then I am going to do my face, and I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Medium, and I'm going to take the face sculpting and shade brush. Don't look at it, I've used it. Just need to take very little. Okay, now start here. Don't need to go all the way down to your cheeks, and whatever's left, I go up here, go into the other side. And no, I'm not going to do anything to my nose because my nose is tiny as it is. So, and I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to dab, dab, dab. So I'm going to go back into the loose highlighter in the shade Bomb. I'm going to take the brush J03, tap off the excess. And then I am going to take Sweet as Coco from MAC, and I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush. This is the blush brush, and I'm just going to take very little, dab off the excess, and I'm going to start here, go into the side of my face again. I'm going to take the Sephora Size Up mascara. It's their new release, and I'm going to take a tissue, wipe off the excess. Take off the excess and go to town with my lashes. That completes the eyes. Now for lips, I'm going to take my favorite combo, Fenty Beauty lip balm on, and I'm going to take the liquid lipstick in the shade Uncuffed, the gloss called Fussy. I don't remember the name, but I'll have everything listed below. And I'm going to take the lip liner from Flormar, and this is Stylematic lip liner, and this is in the shade 01. I'm just going to wait for this to dry before I put my gloss on, and you can leave it like this if you like a matte look, but the glossier, shinier, the better. And this, my lovelies, takes care of the whole look. This is the final step. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Be safe, wash your hands. God bless. Mwah.